Line up your hands a little more than shoulder width apart. Settle the bar into your trapezius muscles, keeping your head up and your chest out. Lift the bar and take a step back, making sure the bar is in the middle of the rack. Your feet should be a little more than hip width apart, toes forward, core tight, chest out, and head up. Inhale as you lower into the squat until the top of your thighs are parallel with the ground. Exhale, keeping your core tight and head up as you drive through your heels to stand up. The hamstring deadlift. Standing on an elevated surface, grip the bar shoulder width apart. Be sure to bend the knees with core tight, back straight, chest out, and head up for the initial lifting of the bar. With arms straight throughout the whole movement, keep soft knees, a straight back, chest out, and head up. Inhale and bend at the waist. Only go as far as your hamstring muscles allow. Don't try to push past pain. And keep your back as straight as possible throughout the movement. Exhale as you stand back up, keeping your back straight, chest out, eyes up, and knees soft. The hang clean. Begin by holding the bar with your hands shoulder width apart. Bend your knees, keeping your chest up, eyes up, and stomach tight. Using an explosive motion, straighten your legs while shrugging your shoulders and then quickly drop to a squat position while rolling the bar from your palms to your fingers with elbows out. Stand up using good squat form, driving through the heels. Let's take another look at the hang clean from a side view. Remember, it's an explosive motion from the legs and hips, a shrug of the shoulders, a quick drop to the squat position, catching the bar with elbows out. Pay special attention to how the bar remains perpendicular to the floor throughout the entire lift. It moves in a straight line from her knees to her chin. During the first progression, our focus is solely on the shrug. Overemphasize the shrug so that you almost throw yourself off the ground. The second progression focuses on explosion from the hips and legs. Begin by holding a bar at mid-hip position with arms hanging in front. Then, with hips loaded, explode with the bar up to one's chin level. Be careful not to hit your face. This is one of the most difficult movements of the hang clean to master because you have to teach yourself that the power is coming from your hips and not from your arms. Start with a lighter weight to practice form if you have never done this lift. You can do a 3-position progression by first practicing the catch without a lot of leg movement. This means catching the bar at a high position. Then progress to adding a mid-squat position to get the feel for the drop and catch. Last, you can go into a full squat to get the total feel for the lift. Practice this a few times before adding weight. Form is everything. Lunges. Take a step forward, big enough so that your knee does not go over the toe as you lower your back knee towards the ground. Inhale on the way down and exhale coming up. Keep your chest and eyes up. Again, when we view the lunge from a side angle, we notice how the knee does not extend beyond the toe. Also, focus on balance and body awareness as you perform this exercise. Calf raises. With only the balls of your feet on an elevated surface, be sure to lower your heels as far as you can, and then contract the calves completely by raising up as far as you can with a pause at the top. Do this with toes pointed forward first, then to the outside, and finally to the inside. This ensures that you are able to isolate each head of the calf muscle. Rotator cuffs, external and internal. This exercise requires a resistance band. Attach the band to either a door frame, a pole, or a piece of stationary equipment. This is the external rotation, going from the inside of your body and out. Make sure you do not cheat by focusing on keeping your elbow close to your body. This motion should be precise and controlled. Next is the internal rotation, in which you bring the band across your body. Again, remember to keep your elbow tucked next to your body. If you discover that you have an elbow that tends to drift away from your body as you perform the exercise, take a small folded washcloth and place it on the side of your body, using your elbow to pin it in place. As you perform the exercise using the washcloth, it should stay safely tucked next to your body. After you have completed these exercises, turn around and do the same exercises facing the other direction. Ball walkouts. With the ball in front of you, squat down and roll your body out over the ball, balancing with your hands and walking out to a full plank position. Remember to keep your butt down, core tight, and a neutral head position. Keep a steady breathing pace and pause once in full plank. From there, slowly walk your hands back up, keeping your legs and body straight.